The law of forced efficiency says, there is never enough time to do everything, but there is always enough time to do the most important things. In this video, I'm going to discuss a technique to help you stay focused and maximize your productivity. Here are some questions that you should ask yourself regularly. These questions will help keep you focused and working on your top tasks, activities, and responsibilities. First, ask yourself, why am I on the payroll? What specific role and results are expected of me in my position? It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your purpose and responsibilities. Discuss this with others, including your boss, to gain clarity. 2. What are my key result areas? Among all the tasks I perform, what are the most significant results I need to achieve in my role? Typically, there are no more than 5 to 7 key result areas for any job. Identifying and prioritizing these areas will help you focus your efforts throughout the day. 3. What are my highest value activities? Which tasks contribute the greatest value to my company and myself? Recognize your core competencies and skills that allow you to make a meaningful contribution. These are the activities you should prioritize. 4. What can I, and only I, do that will make a real difference if done well? There is always a unique task or responsibility that only you can fulfill. By executing it effectively, you can create a significant impact in both your professional and personal life. 5. What is the most valuable use of my time right now? This question is crucial for setting priorities and overcoming procrastination. At any given moment, there is an answer to this question. Mastering the ability to organize your life and select your highest priority is a key indicator of your intelligence and effectiveness. By reflecting on these questions and applying the principles of the law of forced efficiency, you will gain clarity, focus, and the ability to make the most of your time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents.